This tutorial will show you how to install Universe Image Creator. Once purchased, you should get an email that looks something like this. It includes your license key. If you click View Content, you'll see a page similar to this one in your browser. You can download the appropriate file from here. Universe Image Creator will run on a Windows, Mac, or Linux operating system, so be sure to download the one that is appropriate to your system. As you can see, the license key is displayed here as well. You'll want to copy this to your clipboard for later. You'll also want to remember the email address you used when you purchased the software. This will be the email address associated with your license. Once downloaded, click twice on the software you chose and it will run the installation program. Be sure to answer all the prompts as directed. At the end of the installation process, you will be prompted for the email address and license key that is associated with your product. Once entered, you will see Universe Image Creator's blank scene, and then you are ready to create your own universe. We also have several tutorials to help you create a variety of universe types, so please go and check them out. Thank you so much for purchasing our software.